locking in is just something that comes so difficult to me because my interests start going every which way. I started off this year with the intent and sole purpose of reading and getting through my certification for a network penetration tester or security admin, getting that Security Plus certification. I got bored. I honestly got bored. I'm going to still do it, but my interest in building generational wealth and what's available to me in a short period of time to answer one question, and that is how to make use or make sense of those candlestick patterns. I came across a book that I want us to kind of go into, add it to your library of things that we're going to be getting into, and I'm going to give you the title of that book, where I got it from, and how little it costs, right here, right now on the Ujamaa Network, and we're going to learn together. I have been trying to get more information on this one question since I started this group, or since I joined another group, to learn how to get in and out of a trade. Now, I had the technical background in IT to help me navigate the different applications, and I put that information out for everybody to see so you can become familiar with the technical aspects of it. But the question that never gets asked or answered in any of these groups is, how did you learn to read those candlestick charts? After all, it wasn't something that was taught in the school. And the reason it wasn't taught in school, especially for a Gen Xer like me, who graduated from high school in 1988, yeah, a long time, that's because candlestick charting was not translated into English until 1989, a year after I graduated high school. And it hadn't caught fire like it did in Wall Street until significant amounts of people started making money using the principles laid out in this book. Now, the book in question is Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques, second edition by Steve Nison. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, instead of buying a $35 to $58 hardcover book, I want you to go and get a Kindle book from Amazon, download it, it's 15 bucks, and we're going to use that as our trading Bible, as they refer to it in the market. Yes, this is required reading. We're going to go read this together, study together, and then there's a kind of a practice companion book. We'll get that later. But I want us to get this book now. Now, if you've been with this channel a little bit, you know I start projects like I was doing the Security Plus for a minute. I was reading it, got a couple of viewers. I left it in the members only group. I think for this one, I'm going to start off public. And as we start getting deeper and deeper into candlestick trading techniques, we're going to have to start having a conversation about building generational wealth. And this is going to be the foundation of it. I have to stay focused, locked in. And the reason I'm using this book as a guideline, because I did not get the answers from any of the groups I joined. Sure, there are people who you can wake up with every morning, make your 1 or 2 trades, start building your portfolio, start building some cash up, hopefully not taking too many hits, and learn that way. That's the experience way. But why not do it all? If somebody's teaching me how to trade, but they're not teaching me how to read those candlesticks, I'm wasting my time. I want to be able to be self-sufficient, and I want to be able to view the information so I know. The old saying that I go by is, you can give a man a fish and he'll eat for a day, but if you teach him how to fish, he'll eat for a lifetime. That's what I'm going for. I want to teach myself how to fish, so I don't have to rely on somebody and say, oh, this is a good buy. You're going to know why it's a good buy, and why the market is doing what it's doing, and when is the best time to jump into that trade. That's what we're going to be doing. So go ahead, get that book. It's $15. It's instant delivery, and you keep it on your computer or any device that you're going to be using just so you can follow along. I've got the book now. I'm going to give you guys about a week to get it. And if you follow along, we'll go ahead and get the companion book and start doing some practices with that information that we're getting from this book and all of those trading signals that it lays out and what they actually mean. That's the key to becoming a better informed options trader. And that's what we're going to be doing.